Hi, my name is Cassie Nettles, and for the ecology final presentation, I chose the American bullfrog. The American bullfrog is originally found on the East Coast, as far north as Nova Scotia and down to Central Florida. The regions it is invasively naturalized is Western US and the Midwest, such as Idaho, Arizona, Colorado, California, and Texas. Um, the American bullfrog is in the kingdom Animalia and the phylum Chordata. They prefer wetlands, so they do live in semi-stagnant, shallow bodies of water, such as ponds, streams, puddles, anything really wet. They are not climate sensitive, but they are more active in warmer weather, which would explain why they enjoy the Midwest. The American bullfrog was relocated from the East Coast to the Midwest, both intentionally and accidentally. Intentionally, it was brought to the Western US as food, such as frog legs. I've heard it's good. I have not tried it. They were also brought intentionally as food, pets or school projects that were then released into the wild, not knowing the effect it would have on the environment. They were also accidentally relocated as bait when they were tadpoles, just transported and used as bait. Um, Limiting factors that the American bullfrog has is predation. A variety of predators feed on their eggs and tadpoles when they're young. However, once they reach adulthood, that does kind of reverse and they become the predators. They also suffer from habitat loss due to global warming. The wetlands are drying up and the shore alters, meaning they have less of the wetland environment to live in and to spend their time. The American bullfrog has impacts on the environment. They do spread diseases such as chytrid fungus and ranavirus. These mostly affect other amphibians that are natural to the Midwest. They are also voracious predators. They do tend to eat almost anything they can, such as insects, small mammals, birds, and other amphibians. One amphibian that is going extinct thanks to the American bullfrog is the leopard frog. Um, they do like to eat them, and now they're endangered. Um, some eradication controls for the American bullfrog is Oragel. The same stuff you use for your teeth can euthanize the bullfrogs. Some people use electrofrogging. It is more experimental. It gives a mild shock to the frog so that they can then catch them and later euthanize them. You can also do habitat modification, where you kind of shepherd the bullfrogs into a certain area. Therefore, you can then catch them and later um, euthanize them. This helps control the growing out of hand population of bullfrogs. And it is actually interesting because they can then be used as frogs that are dissected later in science classes for younger students. It's a nice full circle moment for that.